Hey, it's Wes, and welcome to DinkLife. Today we're gonna ride Frankenstein coaster on top of Burger King here. I think it's the only roller coaster in the world that's on top of a fast food place. Let's go check it out. I do really like all these gargoyles up there.
You will be. You'll be terrified. This is Terror Relief. Find the hidden passageway.
We're climbing the steps of Burger King, Jay. This way. Oh, there it is. Thanks. No turning back. There we go, the coaster. There's the upside down house. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I find it so crazy that the sign's like right there too.
Yeah, you can just like slap your hand off.
I know, it's so good. No, no, no. Oh! At the top. Watch out for the bump at the top. Oh!
Right off the rooftop.
Oh man, it's crazy.
You made it, guys. Good job. Just watch your arms, guys.
Oh my
You guys are right at the back down there. Exit's right at the back.
Okay. And there it is, the coaster on the top with Frankenstein right there. You got the Burger King sign right up there. Oh yeah, cute little train. It's just like a carnival coaster stuck on top of a roof. There's Frankenstein's head. Exit.
بدك نفوت كأنه بالبيت راقب وعالم اسمه هيك يلا بكره بنفوت. Well, now we're waiting for another one.
So we just got done with the Frankenstein coaster behind us. It's $15.76 Canada dollars, and it's a short little ride. You get 2 times around it, but I mean, it's like a carnival coaster on top of a Burger King, and it feels like you're seriously gonna fall off the roof. But it's super fun. If you can do it, there's a big bump right at the top of the hill, but other than that, it's a super fun ride, not intense at all, but well worth it. And thanks for watching, and whatever you decide to do, just get out there and do it.